Coco, do you know what today is?
Boxycharm.
It is Boxycharm. Actually, we just did Ipsy, but now we're going to do Boxycharm. Boxyluxe, we're going to do Boxyluxe. And I am excited because this is a good mother effing box, y'all.
Yeah.
Oh wait, we forgot the intro. Hey everybody, we're back if you're new. Thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon, that's Coco. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. I forgot to say Yaya's name. I'm Shannon, that's Coco, that's Yaya. Click that subscribe button, please. Let's get into it, y'all. Okay, we're in a different room. I did not address that in the Ipsy video, but we are in a different room because we changed our sleeping arrangements around in the house, and now I am in this room, and it's significantly smaller, but I love it a lot more than having that huge room. Yes, that's the roof, Anyway, let's get into it. Y'all, this box is good. This box is good, girl, okay? She's good. We'll start with this. QVEEN. Okay, so I think this is supposed to be Queen Studio. Partners in Crime Lip Duo, $18. Indulge in your inner bad bitch. The rich buttery formula of this lip liner duo delivers high pigment payoff, blah, blah, blah. So it's two liners. And it is in the shade, what is this shade? Spray Tan. That's nice. I'm not mad at it. And then we have this one here that's SOS. I'll swatch. Oh, she's a pretty berry. She is a pretty berry, y'all. That's what those two look like. I feel like this might actually go well. Where's the lipstick at? Got this lipstick in Ipsy, and I feel like this might go nicely. Well, kind of. It'll go nicely. Next thing we have, Beauty Bio Bright Eyes Depuffing and Brightening Eye Gel. Okay, this one is $28. It says stay in place cooling eye gel, helps depuff, brighten, blah blah blah. Delicate under eye skin, affects stress, blah blah blah. This is what it is supposed to do, before and after. How long did this lady use this? Because I want that to happen for me. Oh, so you get a bunch of patches. So you get a box of 8 pairs. So this is what you get, and you can see the outline of the little eye patches there. Oh, and you can apply them to different places. So you can apply them here, you can go down farther, or you can do on your laugh lines. Okay, 20% off with code Boxycharm. They have a bunch of stuff, and actually, not gonna lie, their packaging is really cute because I am a fan of pink and white. Wow, clinically proven to improve hair density. Okay. This is the results from some of the products they have. I would, if this works, I'm gonna keep this little paper, but if this works, I will be trying some of their other stuff, okay? The next thing we have, I'm saving the best for last, y'all. The next thing we have is Think Bright Glow Hydrate Serum with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. This is by LYS Beauty. I'm not gonna make that a word. I'm not. Liz Beauty? Don't know. So it's $28. It says instantly awaken dull, uneven skin with this weightless, radiant, boosted serum, brighten, blah, 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 blah. Too much reading. Too many words. Okay, the uniqueness. Can we talk about it? It's a freaking triangle bottle, glass. This is pretty. This is pretty, y'all. Drench skin in this ingredient-rich dual-action face serum that's fortified with vitamin C hyaluronic acid to deliver next-level glow and deep hydration to all skin types. I was looking for the how to apply part. It says apply a shitload, basically 1 to 2 drops on your face and neck before before moisturizer. Wear alone or under makeup. And then it says apply morning or night. Let's see how it smells. No smell. No smell.
No smell.
Feels very lightweight. Little jelly. Let's see if it dries. So if it doesn't dry, why would I put this on under my makeup? Cream blush, and what I love, it's in a peach shade, and I love peach shades, and it's actually called Warm Peach. Okay, this blush is from Dominique Cosmetics Silk Tone Cream Blush, $22. Oh, cheek and lips. Well, honestly, don't know if I love cheek lip duos because then these will never set. And you have to set them, otherwise it is just going to slide off of your face. That's a peachy. She's a peachy baby. So yeah, it's kind of drying. Okay.
Kind of.
Can you see it? Can you see it? Y'all, so we have a big monitor now, which is a TV, like a 30-something inch TV. And it's right there behind the camera. So I'm looking at the camera, but I see a big TV. So I'm trying to like, you know. Anyway, this is that. Let's swatch. Not mad at it. I mean, it looks a little ashy on camera. Let me back up. There we go. There we go. It's peachy. It's giving peach vibes. I feel like, yeah, this might be actually a really nice lipstick too. Let's see if these dry, although I doubt that they will dry. Okay, next thing we have a little Pat McGrath here. This is a single eyeshadow. The girls were very excited because of the sparkles in here, the sequins. So this is $25. Pat, Miss Pat, you're coming in swinging with those prices, okay, baby? It's literally, you can see it, it's just a gold eyeshadow. I'm not even gonna swatch this because the likelihood of me using this, I never reach for like individuals. I just don't do it. So let's do a giveaway soon. And I will put this in a giveaway. Okay, next thing. How did I not even realize this whole time that you could see the shade? Then we have this $69 Natasha Denona. This is the Zendo eyeshadow palette. Zendo is really giving me Guardians of the Galaxy vibes. I don't know why that name. Why is the name giving me Guardian of the Galaxy vibes? What was his dad's name? And he was blue, remember? And then in like Guardians of the Galaxy 2, he died and I was like sobbing. Okay, not even gonna lie. As somebody whose father has passed away, when I see things like that in movies, it makes me even more emotional. Anyway, let's get into her. She's so pretty. Do you see? Do you see? Okay, so I also have these two. I got them when we were in LA. My husband took Mimian to like the Lakers game and then like the Clippers game the next night or something. I don't know. Anyway, when I got this one and I was like, just looking at the packaging really made me think like, do I have this? And then I opened it because I don't think I've ever used these. Okay, also I feel like with this one you can tell the green shades make this a little bit different, but they're pretty similar. You gave me 4 different shades. Am I mad at it? No. Am I gonna use the green shades? No. But I actually paid, what is this, like $65. So I spent $130 on 2 palettes when we were in LA, and I actually had bought a lot more stuff while we were there too. So this I'm happy about. This shade is calling to me. I don't know why, but it is. I want to feel this one. I would not use this shade, but maybe I would use it. They are so soft. They are very soft, okay. You know I like a brown. Jeez Louise, look at this, y'all. Look at that. Zendo palette. The other ones, what are the other ones? I got the bronze palette and retro palette. The serum is tacky and the peach blush is kind of dried a little bit, but it's not dry. Anyway, let's swatch. I say I wouldn't use this, but I might use that, y'all. Oh! This is not a shade I'm ever gonna use, but I want to. And now that the girls are in school, I can actually like play with makeup uninterrupted and just play with it. And I'm feeling like, do you see this? Okay, y'all, look at this. Look at that. That's a pretty. Y'all, that is gorgeous. Is this the palette like everybody gets, you know, certain things? This is the great thing that everybody gets this and that eyeshadow. That is, bring on the more Natasha Denona stuff, okay? Bring it on. Bring it to me. Zendo. Why is that so Guardians of the freaking Galaxy? Okay, y'all, so anyway, that box was good to me. I am super happy that, oh, I forgot. There's one more thing. Okay, so it's a tote bag for $129.99 from Henny and Love. Who doesn't need another everyday tote, blah, 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 blah. So it comes with the duster bag, okay? But y'all, she's cute. And if you don't know, my go-to bags are brown, like just the classic brown MCM bags. I have the tote one, I have like the sling one. I have a few others, but my 2 main bags that I have from them, like the backpack, they're brown with the black logo writing or whatever. Anyway, so I love a brown bag. This is like a nice rich color brown too. You have a pocket here. The only thing I say like, oh no, is I would prefer a zipper, but then I actually don't zip my tote bag Doesn't even have a zipper. I think it has a button, but I've never even buttoned it. Anyway, and then inside here, okay, so you have a pocket here, and then on this side, you have another pocket, and it says like Henry and Levy, I think. Yeah, there. No other pockets. This thing comes up. But y'all, she's cute. She feels nice. Would I pay $129 for her? Hell no. No. Why would I do that? That's dumb. Is this a nice bag? Yes. Will I use it? There's a good chance that I will use it. I mean, is it going to replace my MCM bags? No, it's not. Of course it's not. But I also, you know, spent a lot of money on them. So, no. But is this a cute tote? Yes. And I love this shade of brown. I love it. So, okay, let's see. So I'm like, oh, hey, look at my bag. It's so cute. Anyway, this is a 20-minute video. We're going to end it here. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. Hey, everybody, wherever. Okay, this one is $28. It says, stay in place. Oh, wait. Where did you go?
Yeah.
Did she leave out?
Yeah.
Oh, dang. Missed that. You get in, you can kind of see what the book am I doing? I don't know what I'm talking about. I just missed Botox. Instantly. Blah. So it's 28. Blah, 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 blah. So it's 12. Where am I even at?
Look, I can't even twist it. I can't even twist it.
My makeup looks good. My double chin is clearly showing, but my makeup looks good.
How I did?
Oh, good. Now rub it in.
Rub it on my head?
Yeah, you can tap it, or you can use a beauty blender if you want. Make sure you look in the mirror so you can see what you're doing.
I want a brush show me.
Okay, let's fix your mirror so it's... Can you see yourself? Yep, that's where you put your highlighter. If you need to use your finger, you can use your finger and tap it in. That's a new place to put highlighter. That's good. Oh, such a good box.
What happened?
Oh, I got an email from your school.
Why?
Because they email me 20 million times a day to let me know everything that you've been doing. Today at Circle Time, we did our calendar, days of the week, months of the year, and seasons. We also discussed the weather. That's what y'all did today.